I think we always hope that our work makes a difference. If there were no photographers, if there were no storytellers, the stories wouldn't be heard. I think being behind the camera, it gives you like a professional distance. I had the opportunity to accompany a team of medics less than a kilometre behind the front line. That gave me a very different perspective. I felt like my pictures had meaning, more meaning, I guess, to tell the story of the human cost of conflict. There were times when the medics needed help, so I put my camera down and I would just do whatever I could. Those times were much harder emotionally to deal with. The trouble is that when you tell people stories, of course you know that there's nothing that I can do personally to help that person. We try and we have to show compassion and sympathy and kindness. I do have some hope.